This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Stop paying rent. Smart choice as a first-time homebuyer. Low-maintenance patio home with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. No monthly maintenance fee. Master bedroom patio door leads to rear wood deck with private tree-lined views. Open floor plan to GR/dining room and kitchen, all kitchen appliances plus washer/dryer included. Laundry room closet off kitchen. Quiet cul-de-sac community located close to shopping, restaurants and convenient access to highways to commute north or south. For more information, review the details below.